Hi everyone, welcome to the third session of sets in Python. In this session, we will learn about the set functionality, like the different set methods like add, remove, copy, discard, pop length, and clear method, which is followed by checking the membership in set. And we will close this session by running the command how to delete a set. So let's start. As usual, we will use the PyCharm editor and we have created a set A, and then we'll just execute this. Okay, our set A is created. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now what I will do, how to add one more item to this set. So set A dot add, and then we'll say 9, and then we will execute before the values of set, and after the execution adding the element, what will be the value. So before it is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and after it is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now, this is the execution for number. Now let's execute it for some strings. Now we have a set red, green, yellow, and what we'll do, we will add one other color, orange. Okay, so before it is red, green, yellow, and after this it will be red, green, yellow, and orange. And if you note here, the items are being arranged in unordered way. That we have already learned in the session number 2. I have shown you how the set elements are unordered. Okay, once we are done with this, we will look into the discard and the remove method of set. So I have a set, we already know. We'll go to the Python console. Okay, and our set A is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now there are two methods, remove and discard. So both of them will do the same thing, same work, but why do we use the separate methods? Okay, so let us first use set A dot discard 2. Okay, we'll say 3. Yeah. Okay, and after this we will execute. Before execution and after execution, 3 is not there. Okay, now again we will use the remove method. Set A dot remove, we'll say 5. So before execution and after execution, we'll see. Now if you see here, before it was 5 was there. Now after using the remove method, 5 is not there. But why do we use this? Okay, we can work with either remove, discard. Now the only primary reason is, if you try to, now we go to the Python console and set A is 2 4 6 7 8 9. Okay, if you try to discard a number, okay, set A dot discard 10, we will say 10. Okay, even though the number is not there, it is not showing any error message. It will just simply run and execute, and it's in that nothing has happened. But in case of remove, okay, this should have been, okay. Now in case of remove, set dot remove, if you remove 10, if you try to run this command before and after, okay, descriptor remove for set does not apply in an int object. Okay, if you see here, there is an error set because we have not used the correct set object here. So we will give set A. Okay, now if you run this, you will get key error, because if the number 10 is not there in my set object and we are trying to remove it, okay, then you will get that error. But in case of discard, even though number is not there, it will not give you any such message. After this, what we'll do, we will use the what is the pop method. So we'll say pop and just give an empty bracket. So before and after, we'll see what happens. It will simply delete one of the items. You run this command again and just see, it has removed one more item. Like, run it again and this one more item is removed from the set object. We will see how to copy, set.copy method will returns the copy of the set. So we'll say set A is equals to 1. Okay, now we'll copy this and we'll say dot copy. So we will execute this. this is my set A original set, and I am copying this set into another set which is set copy. So let's see what this will give. Okay, this is not how it will copy. Set copy is equals to set A dot copy. In this way it will work. Now if you execute this, okay, so my set A is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and set copy is also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After this, we'll get the length of the set. So how do we get the length of the set? This is pretty simple. Length and pass set A. So we'll get it is total 9 elements in the set. Then we will check the membership in set A. What is my set A first? Okay, for this we'll go to a Python console and say, okay, we'll say set A. Okay, so if you want to check a membership, so we can say 3 in set A. If 3 is there in set A, it will give you true, will be passed. We will see 10 in set A, it will show false. Similarly, 4 in set A, it is there, so it will give you true. 0 in set A, okay, so it will give you false. So that's how the membership operator will work. Now we will see the update method in set. So we have two set sample and the list sample. These are my two sets which have the different colors. What I want to do, I want to update the first with the which will have the second one also. So set sample dot update, I will pass, and inside the update I will pass list sample. Now if I so when we will do this, when we will run this, the very first line will be my original set sample, and then updated set sample, and final will be my original list sample. So let's execute this. Okay, so this is my original data set, or the original set: orange, black, yellow, brown, and then here I have red, pink, orange, brown, blue, green, black, yellow, and then this is my list. So what is, okay, list sample is nothing but a list, so I am passing a list inside a set sample. Okay, so it will take. Now even you can pass the set also. Initially I have passed list, but after this you can pass set also, and then what we'll say that one of the color is common here in both the cases. Okay, black. Okay, so let's execute now. Set sample. So you can see here my set sample is red, pink, brown, the second line. This one is my updated. Okay, this was my original set sample, and this is my change set sample. Okay, and you can see black color is not getting repeated, duplicates will not be there in set. That's what I have already shown in my session number 2. And also if you see, elements are being formed in an unordered manner. After this we will see how to clear all the items of a set. So in that case you have to just take a set and then execute it. Okay, so you just take execute it. Okay, so this is my initial set A, and then after that what I have done, this is my empty set. That is how empty set is. Then I will see, we'll see how to delete the set object itself. Even though if the set is delete, right, but if you type set A, it will show set A. The empty set will be shown, but I don't want to have even the empty set also. So how do we'll say print set A, and then we'll delete set A, and then we'll again print set A. So what will happen now? The moment we will run this command, okay, this is deleted. Now if we try to get set A, it will say set A is not defined. So it actually deletes the set. And this is not only applicable for set, it is applicable for any Python object, list, dictionary. You give del space the object name, and then it will be deleted. So that's it for this session. In this session we have learned about how to use the add method, the add method for set, discard, and remove method, and also the difference between the remove and discard I've shown. Then we have covered what is POP method, and then after this we have I've shown you how to copy a set into another set, followed by getting the length of a set, checking the membership, okay, and then using the set sample we can pass a list, or we can pass a set sample also, and we can update the existing set. After that, what we have done, I have shown you how to clear an existing set, and then finally I've shown you how to delete an existing set. So that's it for this session. Thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. And my part for the next session of this set series will be the mathematical set operations, okay, like intersection, union, difference, symmetric difference, subset, superset, is joint, intersection, update, and different subset. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.